Hello, hello. I think I'm live. There are so many days it on my. I think you guys are getting my notifications. Okay, Bharat, I'm streaming tonight. After like whole month, almost. Watch me tonight or no? Live finally. Hello, Abhi. I just saw your message. Congratulations. Call out my name. I don't know. Huh? I don't think so. How to download from Pitgirl? It's a very long and lengthy process. You have to be careful while downloading from Pitgirl because I tried once and it was like hundreds of files have to download. Then you have to put that all in a folder. That's what I know. I'm not sure because I was never while downloading and installing a game. Okay. Wait, just give me a second. Still with my Instagram. So Bharat, hey, okay, चल विचार पेन ड्राइव से GTA 5 दे नहीं दे सकता ब्रो एक्सटेंशन पेन ड्राइव से GTA 5 you are finally live yes bro finally after so many days I think it's been more than a month or yeah at least a month after a month so okay so the story is tomorrow a committee called NBA committee and they are visiting our college to examine and all that type of stuff and all of a sudden my faculty said Suyash bring your project which you made in your second year's first sem I mean third semester and you know what guys it's been more than 1 year since I built that project and I was like okay work is done so let's take all the components apart and use for something useful like other project so I took all the components apart and today my sir said you have to bring that project tomorrow anyways so Right now I'm here trying to build that whole project tonight. Maybe we will finish that in 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so Abhi, you need GTA 5, right? So to play GTA 5, you can play offline version, but to play GTA 5 online, you need a Rockstar account, and for Rockstar account, you have to pay them minimum 952 rupees. So why I'm looking like this? Things wrong with my camera. It's really hot in here. Originally, this Rover had 6 wheels, but due to lack of time and resources, we are going to make only add only 4 wheels. So this will be four-wheeler robot, Rover. Bro, I think I had a background music for our live stream. Wait, just give me a second and we will add something. What we call that, media source. Bro, how was your hackathon experience? Bro, it was one of the best experience. Like, if you are engineering student, you should experience hackathons. I have done hackathons already, but they were like a project competition. And my recent two hackathons were like proper hackathon. You have to build from scratch. The recent one was not really from scratch, but yeah, it was a hackathon. Cancel. Okay, create new. Okay. Hello, Astro. Long C. No time, long C. Nimish. Hello, Nimish. How are you? Local file. Just give me a second. I'm trying to put a background music while I talk. It to feels little bit weird to uh, listen yourself talking. So just give me a second. So hackathon was like, I was little bit nervous. How are you, bro? I'm good. What about you? I was nervous because hackathons are mostly for codings and like software for software engineers. It's not really that, like you have to build a software, but most of the problem statements are related to software. Yeah, every time I see a ad regarding hackathon or in what we call that, the messages, the creatives regarding hackathon, I check problem statements, and all problem statements are related to ML, AI, Python. I mean all software, web dev. So yeah, I was like, bro, is there anything like hackathon or that type of thing for us hardware guys? And the recent two hackathons were not really hardware hackathons, but we integrated coding, like software part and hardware together, and it went really smooth, and we were standing out different from other teams. So yeah, it was a really nice experience. I will talk about that later, uh, slowly. Okay, so we have to build rover tonight, and first of all meet Pikachu. I don't know, bro, how do you get to know where the hackathons are being conducted? Community of engineering students. Like, I'm I have connections in different colleges. So yeah, they just share creatives and messages related to stretch this stream full on English. Not sure, bro. Usually I do most of the streams while streaming. I use English because I noticed that there are many viewers who don't understand Hindi. Because the reason is, someone said they are from like south side of India, they don't understand Hindi. Once I was streaming, and some guy from Israel or in something, some Middle East country. So I was like, fuck it all, I'll stream in English, or say Hinglish, and little bit Marathi. So yeah, the end goal is I want everyone to watch me, not just regional viewers and all. Okay, so we have to build this rower, and it had 6 wheels, but right now we are going to use only 4 wheels. I think I have a video or photo. I don't have video or photo. Okay, I just found something. I designed this. It's not really PCB, it's just a breakout board, and I made this last year for this rover. And I think we don't need to use anything extra with this. So the plan is we will use two ESP8266 node MCU, two node MCUs, four motors, L2910 motor driver, and planning of your own startup idea. Yes, I'm planning. I have been planning for so long, but again, bro, I don't get that much time to focus on a particular idea or a startup or a business. So right now I'm selling, like, if you follow me, I think you know about that. I sell projects, I do freelancing work, and along with that I'm thinking of, not really thinking, I started it. I'm selling components in my area to, like, I'm providing all the components and required stuff to college students. And yeah, I have plans to make this thing bigger, like slowly grow slowly than industrial projects, robotics and all. So yeah, thinking, but I don't know if we ordered with this because there's big competition, bro, huge competition. So we need node MCU, two node MCU. Soham, hello Soham, how are you? See, actually it's my fault. Let me find node MCU. And you know what? I'm not even sure if I have required components. Just found this L2910. Which mic are you using? This is audio array M1, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, this is audio array. But let me see. Uh, audio array AMC1 device. Good quality mic. I have been using. I think I don't have node MCU and learn about it so that I can make this kind. It's not that hard, bro. You just have to get started with it. Uh, get a kit, simple beginner kit. Start working on any project, and slowly you will understand the logic behind it, like how a electronic component or a project or a device works, how to take inputs, then how to use data received by input to get the required output. You'll understand the logic. Depends on in which standard you are studying, or are you in college, or what are you doing right now? Okay, guys, trying to find required components, bro. I'm in 11th. Are you preparing for JE or CET or any kind of entrance exam? I think, remember, yeah, I know Melody FF. Is I think I don't have Node MCU right now. Need to do something else. I have all kinds of, yes, JE. Okay, so my advice is, it's good that you have interest, but try to get in a better college. I'm not saying get into IIT, NIT. Just try your best. Get into a better college. It gives you a good exposure. College, I won't say it doesn't matter, but I won't even say that it matters a lot. But yeah, there are some pros and cons. Not really cons, but only pros if you are going into a good college. So yeah, you will get exposure. You will find people like you, like-minded people. You can form team. You can work together on similar projects. So I will say focus on JE. Learn about this simultaneously. Like, don't apply directly. Just get some knowledge and try to learn about basics of electronics. Okay, what I did is I just started working on projects. But my advice will be, start slowly, start from basics, start working on basic projects. You buy these kits, electronic components, online or offline? I buy everything online, and in case like emergency, I buy offline. And websites are Robo, Quartz Components, RoboCraze. So Melody Prep, Shubdeep. My advice will be focus on JE, and once you uh, once you get into college, just focus on all these projects, bro. You will get so much time to work on your projects. So that's my advice. Talking from experience, you can gain skills slowly later, but you can't get into college. Once you get into some college, like you can't change later. And what I see is, if you are in better college, in a better environment with like-minded people, then it's a big win, bro. Like your 50% work is done. That's what I will say. Because uh, right now, the team which I have, the people I work with, we are rare ones in college. Yeah, there are very few people I can like really vibe and work with. So if you are in a good college, you will find so many people to work with. I'm not sure, but that's what I feel. That's what they say everywhere, that go into college and just watch tutorials, bro. Get a beginner's kit and start working on any project you like. I'll say start from basic. Okay, right now I don't have Node MCU, I guess. So I have to bring this. I have to take this project to college tomorrow for exhibition. This is laser security alarm. I think I have showed this so many times here on stream. Okay, so the big problem is I don't have Node MCU right now, so I need to do something. I have Arduino boards, so many Arduino boards. I have these motor drivers. Instead of Node MCU, I have this little tiny Wemos D1 Mini. We can use it though, but the thing is, you can't really use a microcontroller with 5 volt or 3.3. Yeah, we need 3.3 volt, I guess, or 5 volt. Let, let's check. I'm not sure because I rarely use this microcontroller with 5 volt. Sorry, with battery. Uh, can we provide, or can we use 5 volt to power up? Yes, you can use 5 volt to power up a Wemos D1 Mini, and it is recommended method. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, guys, we can use 5 volts. Yeah, hey, I'm serious. Bro, any serious? YD लागली आहे in diploma, right? Advice. Listen, Nimish, happens. Been through similar situation. I think so. You don't attend lectures and college, right? Learn about AI along with robotics. Yeah, I mean, yeah, AI is the future. That's what I feel. People say that bubble. Yeah, it is bubble. Still, you have to get along with AI. So start learning. Like I will say, you are in 11, so I'm assuming that you don't know the depth of fields, like sub fields in engineering. You know what I'm saying? Like in AI there are AML, there are a lot of fields, like there are a lot of sub fields. Like my friend does AIML, machine learning and all algorithm and that kind of stuff. I'm not a core person. Some of my friends do web development. So there are a lot of things. Some people do something different. So I will say explore more, and you will understand what to do. You will find your interest. Yeah, one of my team member, he's Parikshit. I think you have seen him in blogs. That he is interested in cyber security. He's learning AML. He's in AML branch, but he's interested in cyber security. Attendance and credits मुळे, yeah, attendance and credits are the biggest issues I am fighting right now. Attendance, and my attendance is 54, I guess. Yeah, 54. And my practicals, like assignments, are uh, not complete on time to time. But I convince my faculties and they are little bit supportive. They support, like, at the end of day, bro, uh, we are representing our college and department, so they help. Right now you attend colleges or lectures or no? जर वाय डी लागल्या, जर तू कॉलेज जर अटेंड करत नसशील तर मग मी तर म्हणेन की हा तुझ्याकडे एक गोल्डन चान्स आहे. इट्स अ गोल्डन चान्स फॉर यू टू युटिलाइज दॅट 1 year free time, 1 year drop, and do something crazy, bro. Like, learn some skills, go crazy, make content, do anything. Just don't waste your 1 year. घरी आहे, okay. Then the only right thing to do is study something different. uh, then learn some crazy skills, like master some, at least 2 or 3 skills in 1 year. Master, try to earn from that skill, do freelancing or anything. And you should not feel like I wasted 1 year. Yeah, it's your mistake. You have done mistake that YD लागलेली आहे तुला, आता तू घरीच बसणार आहेस. You are 1 year late, you are 1 year behind than others, but still you have a chance to utilize all that time and do something good. You know what I'm saying? And I know you since like 2020. Any tips of freelancing? I will say, bro, don't start freelancing right now, because and it depends on what type of freelancing you are doing. I am also freelancer. I'm kind of freelancer. I don't say that I am freelancer because, like, not a typical freelancer who does video editing or content, like in content. तुमच्या बॅचमध्ये तो माझा फ्रेंड आहे मोटिव, या सोहम पाटील इज माय क्लोज फ्रेंड. We meet every day. He's in my class. Shubdeep, I will say, learn skills, bro. You will start earning slowly. Once you pass your 12th, then focus on freelancing, getting paid projects, and whatever you love. And I know that everybody says same, that focus on studies while you are in 11th and 12th. But yeah, that's true. You have to, even if you don't want to. That's what happens with everyone, like me. I was doing little bit of freelancing, like paid promotion stuff on social media when I was in 11th 12th. I used to make decent amount as a 17-18-year-old kid, but still, I'll say, instead of that I should have focused on something else. I did the right thing, but still I could have get some more marks. I could have get into a good college, and I could have done better things. Like, I'm building a rover here right now. I could have been in some good college with a proper team and all. Your project in your department, I won't say they help. No, not really. There is no subject that teaches us like how to build a robot or something like that. Actually, not even syllabus fault, because I'm in ENTC department, so they teach us what's inside this IC. In electron ENTC department, they teach us what's inside this IC, power management of this IC, or okay, as you can see, the little voltage regulator IC. So how does it work? Amplifiers, op amps, and frequency, something related to telecommunication, related to antennas and all. So right now I don't really use it in my project, but if I go like at a micro level, if I go deep with these circuits, right now all I know is I have this module, how to program this module, how to use it for different applications, and yeah, that's what I know. But if I apply everything in my syllabus right here with this, then I will understand how does it really work. What I'm saying, as I have this motor driver, and I'm here providing 12 volt, and I'm taking output of 5 volt here. So in my syllabus what they teach is, if you are providing 12 volt, how are you getting 5 volt here? So that's what they teach. I don't think it really helps me. It might help others. मी वालचंद सोलापूरमध्ये आहे ENTC F5, पण आता समजलं की एवढा चांगला नाही आहे तो ब्रांच, तर सेकंड इयरला चेंज करता येईल का? Bro, depends on what you want to do in future. I mean, you are in first year, explore, decide if you really want to do something else or you are good in ENTC. ENTC is like if you are not getting into, if you don't get admission for CSE, DS or AML, then people go take admission in ENTC thinking they will switch into IT after some time. And I know some people uh, who successfully did this, like they have a degree of ENTC, but they do job in IT. But also I know some people who try to do the same, but it's getting harder and harder for them to get a job. So depends on what you want to do. तुला ENTC कोअरमध्ये जॉब करायचा आहे, ओके, तुला ENTC कोअरमध्ये जॉब करायचा आहे, then bro, first of all my advice will be, learn what is in the syllabus of your ENTC, वालचंद ENTC. हे बेसिकली तुला क्लिअर सांगतो मराठीत मी. ENTC लांबून बघून सगळ्यांना वाटतं की ENTC मध्ये जे मी काय इथं करतोय स्ट्रीमवर, वॉट एव्हर आय एम डुईंग हिअर ऑन स्ट्रीम, इट्स इन सिलेबस ऑफ माय कॉलेज, बट इट्स नॉट द रियालिटी. And due to this illusion, people take admission in ENTC thinking that I will do like this, like all these robots and stuff. But in reality there are deeper things in ENTC, like as I said, they teach you how this IC works, how this microcontroller works and all, and people might find it boring or complicated, and they will lose interest in all this electronics and engineering field. That's what is happening, and I'm watching it every day around me. So yeah, my advice will be, explore syllabus, explore electronics and telecommunication department, and check if you really want to learn this. Yes. So my advice will be, if you are going to do job in core electronics, I'll say just focus on your current syllabus, bro. Just get some, and you are in good college. I think you are in Walchan Solapur, right? VLSI किंवा एम्बेडेड मध्ये जायचं ब्रो, मग झालीच की VLSI आणि एम्बेडेड मध्ये जायचं आहे तुला. Then you are already in a good place. You are in a good college. Also VLSI and embedded. Then ANTC is for you. They are teaching us VLSI, embedded. I'm not really interested in VLSI though. I'm a mechatronics guy. I won't even say mechatronics. I just build random stuff. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Okay, let's get back to work. I have these 4 motors, and sad part is I don't have my new glue gun with me right now. I have the old one. Reviews चांगला नाही आहे branch बद्दल. Okay. And the harsh truth is, most of the students learn core, like a core industry knowledge from courses and classes. I know some seniors, they learn PLC and VLSI. Also, people learned about something mechanical. They joined classes after college, like after fourth year, and now they are placed. I think after spending 1 year in classes, extra courses and all. Seniors रिव्ह्यू चांगला नाही आहे. मग तू दुसऱ्या कोणत्या ब्रांचमध्ये करणार? This is the question. If you think ENTC in your college is not good, then and you want to do job in core ENTC, what's your second plan, like plan B? ENTC. Okay, it's already 11:15. इयरला ॲडमिशन घ्यायचा बेस्ड ऑन CGPA. कोणत्या कॉलेजमध्ये आसपासचं चांगलं? ट्राय टू गेट इन टू वालचंद सांगली. I heard that you have to be in top 3 of your class, right? To change branch or college. त्याचा ENTC चांगला आहे. You can do that, bro. Have to score that good. Your CGPA should in top 3, I guess. पुणेमध्ये. Okay, also this thing, every Pune college is not good college. Yeah, there are some. KIT ला पण core चांगला आहे ना. Not sure about that. I was trying to get into KIT, but they हक्कललं मला तिथनं. All what I there is a joint and I don't want to get shocked. I will use. Nimish, are you still watching me? Almost missed your stream again. No, bro. I just started streaming, and tonight we have to build Bits Pilani. Bits Pilani. Try to get into Bits Pilani, bro. Bits Pilani is very good college. My cousin was there, and right now he's in. I don't know if yeah he's in Dubai, I guess. And Bits Pilani. For example, do you know about Ishan Sharma? That guy who made freelancing mainstream. And there are a lot of people. Very good. What I heard is but with brain. I'm saying brain. What does that mean? That oh I don't have I was busy. It was really hectic. I had another stream. Sorry, stream. Not really stream. I had exams. Good night, Dada. Have a great stuff. Good night, Ishan. Bye bye. Then we had exams mid sem. Then we had after mid sem. I started preparing for uh this hackathon, the recent one, submission, and it all together, bro. I don't get time. Barely get after a whole month. Here is the MMCOE मराठवाडा मित्रमंडळ. चांगला आहे म्हणजे शेजारचा दादा होता, चांगला आहे कॉलेज. अँड एक फ्रेंड आहे सी एस सीला आहे ती. या सी एस सी गुड कॉलेज. ओके, सो दिस इज जोजो, a bot, companion bot. I'm working on it. I gave a gift to someone. Like I gifted this Zozo, and they really liked it. So I feel like this can be a good product. There are a lot of people who are building companion robots and all, but I feel like I have something extra and different. And also the uh, price range. The cost of my robot is very less than others, and also the feature I'm providing and the main motto of this project is for people who are in relationship, not only relationship, but say your dad works in something USA or in a distant place, and you give him this Zozo bot, and it has some pictures of your family and all customized, and you can message, can display anything here remotely from anywhere in the world. So yeah, that's the main feature I'm giving, and I feel that's the best thing about this bot. So yeah, I feel even if there is competition, I can do something with it. Okay, let's try with this. Let's work on this side. I have to be careful with these wheels because I don't want to unbalance this whole bot. Also, after this stream, I have to edit a video, and you know what? I met some really cool engineers, really cool projects like robots and uh, Smart mirror was crazy. It was mirror, and like you guys know about smart mirror, you'll understand. These guys won first prize. First prize was I think 5,000. We got like 2,000 as we were second runner up. I streamed so late that my friends and can't watch because I'm so unpredictable with. Bye bye, Jitesh. Have a good night. Okay. Let me just check my Instagram. I want to know how many people came from my stories. Hey, I need to finish this before 1 a.m. max. I need to finish this before 1 a.m. max. Okay, now the last wheel, and we are done with. Then we'll hit to keep this. Now I need my soldering iron. Okay, let's start with soldering. Okay, okay, I was thinking to use Node MCU, but I don't have a Node MCU right now, so I was thinking to go with ESP, like Wemos D1 Mini. It's like a tiny version of Node MCU, ESP8266. But if I can, or yeah, I think I can do, can power up all. Okay, also I was thinking to use Blink, but what if instead of Blink we will just use, will create your our own web page, control this bot. We'll use laptop, we'll use web page, HTML. I'm not good at all that coding type of stuff. I'll just go with ChatGPT and somehow I need to finish this whole project tonight. Problem is I don't have Node MCU. I have this Wemos D1 Mini, and I was going to use two Node MCU, one for movement of rover and another for uh, robotic arm. Right now I don't have a Node MCU. We will use this for movement and the same for robotic arm. I think this will work. See if we can do anything. Okay, I won't spend a lot of time. Hello. Stream. Okay, what I need to do is I'll just do another. No, motor is ready. All we need to do is just connect wires, upload code, and our rover is ready. Then I'll start working on any book to learn electronics. There is a book for Arduino. I just make a rover. That's cool, bro. Do you have any like link or where I can watch your rover? So if you talk book, there is a book for Arduino for geeks, I guess. Someone suggested me that book very long ago. I feel like just follow your syllabus. Just learn some basic laws of electronics, learn about components, and go with tutorials if you want to do this. And if you really want to learn electronics like proper electronics from basics, then follow electronics syllabus. I'm not sure about books because I don't really refer books. Problem is I don't really study, bro. Nowadays, I know how to study. I just study to get some good marks in exam, and I end up getting bad marks in exam as usual. But somehow I'm just getting into next grade. I'm passing every semester. Okay. This is the final motor. After this, I'll start connecting it to motor driver. Then I'll use Chat GPT for code, obviously. Rover. Okay. So you don't upload it anywhere, right? Electronics. For electronics, I'll suggest learn about components. Bro, I can see. I just make a rover. I'm answering you, bro. What's your name? Skirbal. Scribble. It's Skirbal or what? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing properly. Yeah, I can see your message. I can see that. Start with Astitwa Varma. Okay. Nowadays, bro. Where are you from? I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Okay, so the problem is, I was thinking directly that I'm from Lakshmipur, Uttar Pradesh. This. Okay, fuck it. I won't even. So I'll just jumper wires because we don't have enough time. We need female, four female to female jumper wires. Can please show me where is your rover? I had a rover, proper rover, with rocker boogie mechanism, but it apart. And tomorrow, my teachers asked me, my faculties asked me to bring rover college. So I have to build it again from scratch, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time making it perfect. Oh, that's why I'm up soldering. Oh, can you try to make a plane? Yeah, I want to RC, but I'm not. How much time you need? Maybe an hour max, half hour. Right now I have to. Now I will solder this because I have to. As we are using. Your voice is not clear. Really, bro? What about now? Can you hear me? Wait, let me check here. Voice or video? I think you are talking about video. Voice or video? Okay, my name is Suyash. I'm engineering student in third year electronics branch. Bro, all this time you guys did not tell me that uh my camera isn't focused, or is it focused? Let me check. Terra Arm Explorer. Yes, Saurabh. Terra. Saurabh. By the way, Saurabh is my mate. And tomorrow we have. And we don't have. Can you please? These are the motor, bro. Air motors. 100, 150 RPM. New vlog. Right. By the way, how about you, bro? What are you doing, Abhi? What about your sound break होतोय का मधी मधी? Yeah, I need to check that. Wait. Okay, I think this is better because my mic is Polaroid, I guess. It captures sound from only one side. Where is your battery? I'm going to use lithium ion batteries. Wait, where is the ground pin? 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries. Need to buy some lab equipment for soldering and all. Show me. Give me a time, bro. Just wait a second, and I'll finish soldering stuff, and I'll show you everything. Keep it along with me. Drop new post. Check it. Okay. By the way, guys, this Abhizadov guy has an Instagram account called Dumb Guy, and he does some posters and all. 25 pieces of 3.7 volt battery. How many mAh? 1000, 1200, or 24, 3000 mAh, 3800. Okay, so I was talking about Abhizadov. So this Abhizadov guy has Instagram account, and he does some designing work and cover art, album cover arts, if you know about that. Go check it out. 2000 mAh. Mm, what do you do with all these batteries, bro? Show your dope setup, dude. Uh, it's not that good. That's it. This is Doraemon. This is Harry Potter. Then this is Wally. This is Doctor Doop. Guardians of Galaxy. Harry Potter. Don't touch my laptop, muggles. Iron Man. This is Spider Man and Doctor Octopus. The album cover art of Kanye West, and these are some of my favorite artists, hip hop artists. And that's it. And this is my laptop. This is me. How to and ignore the background. First of all, ignore the background. Thank you. And I forgot to show that. This is the case, 3D printed case for Zozo. If you guys know about Zozo, so this is 3D printed case for Zozo. Uh, Drop cute if it's cute. Okay, let's start with soldering. And here I have Pikachu. Wait. This is Pikachu. Then this is Batman right here. I hope you guys can see. This is Batman. This is Pikachu, and this is lighting. You have a 3D printer? No, I don't have a 3D printer, but I'm planning to buy it. Uh, I'm thinking to get myself a 3D printer this Diwali, but I'm not sure if I am going to use it regularly. So I'm just confused if I should get a 3D printer or not. And can you please suggest me a 3D printer if you know about 3D printers? XOXO होता है. XOXO is Zozo. It sounds good. Okay, so you make school projects and sell it. I make college projects and I sell it. And I'm not even kidding, bro. XOXO is like, I heard that XOXO is something like hugs and kisses. I'm not sure about that. Am I sounding like Ranveer Alabadia? EXO Tour Life, yeah, EXO Tour Life is relatable. EXO Tour Life, for those who don't know, a music video, a music song. I am 13 years old. Damn, bro, you are 13 years old and you are doing this great with, like, you are building projects and selling it. You are making money. Play that shit. Okay, Abhi. Uh, I was streaming once and I played all the songs on my second channel. You know about that. We were having fun. We played a lot of music, and guess what? We got copyright, and my live stream was banned in more than 14 or 15 countries. So I can't do anything on this channel. We will do a live stream, a live session. You have a PC right now, so yeah, Abhi, we can do that shit. We can react. We can have fun on my another channel as got new PC. Congratulate Abhizado for his new computer. Okay, 50% connections are done. Now we have to connect some wires for input power supply. Can you show me your coupons? What do you mean by coupons, bro? Can you please elaborate? What do you mean by coupons? Hmm. How much your project cost? It depends on projects. It's not fixed. Depends on what type of components I'm using. How much work I have to put in. Start new content like music reaction memes. Sir, can you give me some suggestion for hackathons? Guess who's asking? I'm not even hackathon guy. I just do all this stuff for fun. By the way, I have advice for you. Attend hackathons, have fun, come home. That's it. Build your project, get money. What else you can do at hackathons? Yeah, connect with people. I tried, but I'm not that good. No, we were not even trying to connect with people. People were trying to connect with us. What is the cost of project you are making? Not really sure. Okay, so this L2918 motor driver costs between 150 to 200 rupees. Depends on from where you are getting this, buying this. This Wemos D1 Mini costs around 150 to 180, and this one motor you can get a motor wheel, like four motors and four wheels for 270 rupees. That's it. What else you need? Batteries. One battery for 60 or 70 rupees. So two batteries and cell holder. It costs around 150. So total cost will be around 2000 max. Yeah. Yeah, 2000 rupees is max, bro. By the way, are you still learning about electronics? I sell it for 250 rupees. What? This whole project, or you are talking about something else? What do you sell for 250 rupees? Wheel and motor for, yeah. So I buy it from RoboCraze for 270 rupees. Yeah, 261 or 269. Yeah, round figure 270. Okay, it's getting harder and harder to solder this black wire. Bro, Scribble. I forgot your name. Sorry. Where did you learn all this? In school or YouTube, or do you have someone to teach you all this? Okay, done with this soldering. Okay, so here we have these two wires to power up this whole circuit, and we will use Teenage Dreams cover drop करणार. You really think, bro, should I drop that track Teenage Dreams? I have some music I have created recently. If you don't know about that, there is a track called Teenage Dreams. I'm not like a musician. I just sit here and I play a beat and I spit whatever in my mind on mic. I have Teenage Dreams. Then I have three more tracks. I'll drop Teenage Dreams tonight. Hmm. On SoundCloud. Bro, SoundCloud feels very safe. If you guys don't know about SoundCloud, SoundCloud is like a Spotify, but it's free. Anyone can upload music, anyone can listen music without paying anything. It's really free, like YouTube. So I make music sometimes. Remote control car by drop like a EP. So I have plan. I think no, I did not share this with anyone. I think I have planned like 4 5 songs, emo songs called. I will not share names, but you'll get the idea. Similar to Teenage Dreams. I have made a remote control car by using PVC pipe and 4 motor, 4 wheels, and make it a G turn like G wagon. Uh, G turn, 360 turn, right? I know what we call that. 360 turn, I guess. We call that 360 turn. Okay, done with this. Now what we gonna do is Batman kitchen. I have this Batman kitchen. Then I have this Pikachu जेलमध्ये आहे सध्या. Then I have this lighting ची गाडी. Bro, Scribble, how to say this? Do you know about Magnum wheels? Magnum wheels mechanism is really good. Learn about that. Should we stop with soldering? For now, I think stop with soldering. Bro, abhi yesterday I had a chance to perform in my college for an event called Eco Got Talent. It was event in our college. People were singing, dancing, and all that kind of stuff. But I was busy in hackathon, so I couldn't start with coding part. Okay, I'll be honest with you guys that I don't have time right now, so I'm just I just written a prompt for ChatGPT and I got my code. I found another streamer. Feel like an inspiration. Thank you so much, bro. Uh, Astitwa, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start with coding part. As I'm waiting for my glue gun to heat up. I also want to build like you. Start, bro. You are talented and very young. As you just said, you are 13-year old and you know a lot about projects. As you just like you said, you build stuff and you sell. Control V. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing is I just got this code from ChatGPT, but every time I say that my advice will be don't use ChatGPT. Uh, if you are a beginner, I'll show what's on my display. This is the code. This is for Blink, and it has D5U, DHT11, D1 to D4. This is for one. This is for blink, but instead of blink, I was option था वो भी okay. Okay, this is for blink. As you can see, this is library. This is library for ESP, and this is for DHT. So the plan was I was thinking to use MQTT and create my own web server, but I'm not sure. Still, I'm not sure about that. Should I do this or not? I have two more. I have two more. These what we call this Vemos modules. Okay. Instead of this blink, we will create our own website to control. Okay. Instead of blink, write a code to write a code to what? Write a code to write a code to create web page. Okay, I can't show this part because there are some credentials which I can't show you guys. Just give me a second and I'll be back. How can I become like you? Bro, you are already doing great. Just start working, study, and along with study, learn about electronics, mechatronics, robotics, or whatever you find interesting. Slowly, you will learn everything. As you said, you are 13 years. If you start now, then by the age of 20, you can build a proper robot, like robot. Know what I'm saying? Proper robot who can see, hear, can respond to your commands. AI based robot. So I'll say you are early world. Just start learning about electronics and start from basics. That's it. उस पर लाइव कब आएगा जल्दी टाइम मिलेगा I want to build early. You can, bro, but it's not like uh tomorrow you are going to build a robot like Chitti, like robot from movie, like Iron Man suit. You have to start somewhere and then slowly you will reach your destination. And it's fun. The journey is fun. Also start learning programming language. ब्रो दूसरे चैनल पे लाइव आके मुझे डांस वगैरह मतलब थोड़े मज़े करने हैं ओके कस्टम वेब डैशबोर्ड कनेक्ट सेंड्स कमांड्स एंड डिस्प्लेज ओके लेट्स सी गाँव कब आएगा डाउनलोड करनी है गाँव में 2 दिन में आ जाऊँगा 17 या 18 तारीख के बाद में 10-15 दिन गाँव में हूँ And see, ChatGPT does the work, so I don't have to do anything. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to finish whole project. Bro, why I can't switch tabs? Okay, I'm not sure if I can finish on stream, but the thing is, I have to finish this tonight. But I'm not sure if I'm going to stream each and everything. Control A, Control V. We'll do this. Okay, I can't show everything here because there are some credential part. Then this is for our web page. It's for VS Code. I'll create a new file, Python file. Control V. Okay. Bro, what the fuck is this? How old are you? I'm 20. Run code. The fuck, bro? New text file. I'm in DY Patil Kolhapur. You know about that. Show preview. Okay, our web page is done. Let me just close all other sketches. You want to model, don't save. Okay, so forward, right, backward, left, stop, and environment. That's it. Let's go to Arduino code. This is our Arduino's code, and I have to put up. Okay, I can't show you this part as I said. So just give me a second. Yo, what about the music, bro? It was my mistake. Okay, right now what I'm doing is I'm adding some credentials in. Okay, let's uh Arduino communicate with the web page. It took me so much time to figure it out and how to do that. But recently I learned that there is a thing called MQTT or a broker. Learn about that, bro. There is like MQTT broker is like communication person, like postman. It takes your signals from your laptop or PC. It goes to server. Then from server, uh, it it supplies those signals to your hardware or any other device. So it's like a middleman. So right now what I'm doing is I used MQTT broker free version. Let's see if it works or not. I'm uploading the code. I hope